What's up, guys? Um, I don't really have a plan for this video. I have just spent the last 3 hours sitting at this computer, brainstorming, um, trying to start a new project, trying to tap into the creative part of my brain, and I just can't. I've been a streamer for 2 years full time. I started just like so many other people, so many other streamers, the majority of streamers right now, because of when COVID hit, everyone didn't know what to do. They were at home, they were playing video games. They thought, oh, look at all these, streamers making money. This would be a great opportunity for me to pick up streaming. And I did. I started streaming, just like so many of you. And I didn't really know what I was getting into. I figured, hey, I'm playing video games anyway. I'm stuck at home. I lost my job. Let's just try to make a career out of it. And so I started streaming, and thus Player 2 Gaming was born. And I spent the last 2 years so focused on the stream. I became, I guess you could say, addicted to social media, addicted to the validation of others. My stream was a direct reflection of myself. My stream's success was a direct reflection of me as a person, if that makes sense. I guess what I'm saying is I became so invested in my stream and what my stream meant and the success of it that I kind of lost sight of who I was, if that made sense. Basically, there's no me without my stream. There's never an off moment. It's on, it's go. I'm always on my phone. You got Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, all of these social media platforms that you're trying to keep up with. You're trying to build relationships within the streaming world. You're trying to respond to messages and comments. You're trying to constantly post new stuff and think of new content to create, and it consumes your life. It really does if you're not careful. And I'm just sitting down filming this video to say that I wasn't careful. And my family life has felt it. My personal life has felt it. I don't see any of my friends. There's no balance. There's no work-life balance at home. I'll be sitting on my couch, watching a show or visiting with my wife or my kids, and here I am scrolling my phone. What's the next, big move? What's the next tweet I got to tweet out? What's everyone saying about my latest YouTube video? And I think that's something that nobody really tells you about, but it easily creeps in. And then, of course, there's the aspect of comparing yourself to the success of other streamers. And you say you're not going to, but you do. You sit there and you notice, hey, I've only got 10 viewers. I used to have more. Or how come this streamer has so many more viewers? Why don't I have that? And it really starts to creep in and affect the way you feel about yourself. And if you're not getting that validation from your views or from your financial return or from your analytics all around, and it's really affected my mental health. I guess why I'm making this video is because it's helping me to sit down and realize that. It's helping me to sit down and to just take a step back and look at what's happening in my life and in my streaming career, maybe from the outside. And it helps to film this. It helps to say it out loud. And I don't have a script. I don't know. I just pressed record. I didn't know what I was going to say. I just started filming, and I wanted to see what emotions, what came out, what words I said. and I mean them. I really do mean them. I'm at a point in my streaming career where I've lost all momentum. I've lost all growth. Um, and can say I can say that my stream is holding on by a thread. My streaming career is definitely um, holding on by a thread. So I think it's time to make a few changes, um, just with my expectations of it all. Um, I guess I'm scared. I guess it's safe to say I'm scared of what the future holds. I don't have another career lined up. I don't have I don't have an insurance policy. I don't have something to fall back on if this does fail. Um, and now that I've been so blessed to have done this for so long, I'm scared of, I'm scared of having to go work at a job that I guess sucks the life out of me. And I love this job. I do. I love what I do. I think it's just time that I reevaluate priorities, and I reevaluate what I'm trying to get out of it, I guess. I think it's time I stop allowing my success dictate my value, I guess. And so I just want to say this for anyone, I guess, who is who's in the same boat, who's struggling with your streaming success or with your mental health, or you're considering becoming a streamer. Be careful. Be careful not to allow these negative feelings to seep in, and make sure you protect your family, you protect your self-worth, you protect your mental health and your physical health. That's a whole nother story. But you're worth more than your CCV. You're worth more than your earnings. You're worth more than your success as a streamer. And just remember that what matters is your family. What matters is your friends. And what matters is your health and your well-being. So don't lose sight of that like I did. And I pray nothing but the best of luck for all of you guys. As far as the future of Player 2 gaming, stay tuned, I guess.